Hello, Taker Reps. This rep talk is on the difference between the Taker HSS software, which we give away at no cost, and the paid upgrade, which is called the HVAC Solution Professional. So the Taker HSS software has these three tabs that are functional and can be used to design systems: hydronic tab, hydronic pipe, and controls. And you have these reports: bill of materials, control schedules, the detailed report, engineering report, and equipment schedules. In the professional version, you have access to all of the design tabs. So all the air tabs on the left, you can build air handlers, rooftop units, steam systems, high and low pressure steam, and plumbing was added about a year ago. So you can build systems that look like this. Just a quick example. Here's an elementary school. With the air side and the water side. There's the airflow schematics, air handlers, spaces, and so forth. And in the HSS systems, you can build any sized hydronic system. I'm going to open examples again. Hydronics. Here's some templates. So I can build chilled water systems, boiler systems to any scale, district heating, district cooling, as long as the pipes don't exceed 60, 70 inches, I think, are the largest pipes. So that's the main difference between the HSS software, we've been giving that away for over 10 years, and the paid upgrade or HVAC Solution Professional. Thanks.